Alright, we are back on the trail. Oh, Saturday morning. Doing a Father's Day hike with my daughter Lillian. We're heading back to Bear Lake with the dogs. It's a nice little spot, Bear Lake lean-to. It's brand new. Great to bring the kids. It's only like 2.5 miles in or 3 miles in, something like that. So poured last night, so there was nobody back here, so it's kind of quiet. Alrighty. Loons out there on the water, 2 of them. We made it back to Bear Lake. It's gonna be a beautiful day. Found this dead standing hardwood. Might have been a maple. I'm gonna see if I can saw her up. I was rocking it and it was sort of going. You know, you get them rolling and rocking or whatever, they'll fall right over. You get a good rhythm with them, you know, shake them right back and forth. So I'm gonna saw it a little bit and hopefully it'll teeter over. Maybe. Woo! She's down. There, this beast will keep me going for the night. Get some nice tender pieces out of there, nice dry stuff. I was hoping it broke. Oh yes, it did. A split. So now I can just split her into sections and bust pieces off and it'll burn pretty good. Dead standing hardwood. Right, Lou, we got wood for tonight. Cook our fish on, hopefully, if we catch any. Silky and Fisker's axe. I mean, this phenomenal axe. It's got the wedge head on it for splitting. It's sharp as heck. Can't break the handle. I mean, can't beat it. There's a lot of axes out there, but I mean, I like their products. Big Boy Silky, that thing can mow. Everybody's right about that. Very quality built too, so. Yeah, she did bulldog. Yeah, she did bulldoggers. Yeah, she's out here with me. We're looking for wood. Where's she at? Got one on Max, come on. Get out of there. Max, come on. Max, get over here.
Sit your hiney.
Nice trout. Oh yeah. Wow. Got one. Nice trout. Nice brook. Yeah, they fish right out of that. They go right in that stream.
Max is trying to like catch the water, splashing it and trying to catch it.
That's going in a pot.
I should have made a TikTok on it.
That's a nice brookie. Oh, beautiful colors. Beautiful colors. Yeah, there's a stream that comes out of here from up there and it comes down, and this is where I always have some good luck. You know, this brook trout like to feed off of whatever comes out of this creek, so works out alright. Oh, I got some eggs in there. Damn, she was female. I just take my thumb and slide it right in there. And all clean. All clean. Old Max out there playing in the water. Nice little trout. We're gonna let him go. Let him get a little bigger. Hi, buddy. Lily, you got your phone? Phone? Okay. Oh, alright. Beautiful fish. Whoa! You got a little slimy. Oh, they're beautiful. Whoa! Oh, there he goes. Alright, he took off. He was slimy. Want some more little bite? Good stream. Cold water too. Yeah, I use these Sawyers. I do have a platypus to use for big trips, but these little short trips like this, I just use these Sawyer bags, fill them up, bring them back to camp, and filter them out. Have to blow the bag up. Checking on the skewer. Old cold handle pan. Frying up some trout. Oh, little baby trout. Nice little colors. Look at it, man. It's slayer free. There he goes. Yeah, it's nighttime now. It's 8:30. Bugs are pretty wacky. Just trying to catch a big one. Beautiful out here, absolutely just beautiful. Like I said, the stream comes in right here, and it's where they kind of feed. We're up in Barrel Lake, outside of McKeever, trying to catch some brookies. Here she goes. Oh no. Alright, well that's a wrap. Woke up this morning, made some bagels and bacon grease with cream cheese and avocado. I'm heading to the privy. And then we're heading out. Till the next time.